The gap between a basic kitchen and a high-performance space just disappeared. We have curated 20 breakthroughs that turn every meal into a seamless experience. These are the Amazon finds redefining efficiency in 2026. If you are ready to upgrade your daily life, join our community by subscribing and giving this video a like. Which of these will be your next essential? Tell us in the comments. All the links you need are waiting in the description. Let us transform your home right now. Forget the tedious prep and the constant risk of nicking your fingers on old graters. This manual rotary powerhouse transforms solid blocks into perfect shreds in under 30 seconds. Featuring 3 interchangeable stainless steel blades, it handles everything including sharp cheddar and crunchy almonds with a simple turn of the crank. The heavy-duty suction base anchors firmly to your counter, giving you total control. It is the ultimate upgrade for a busy workspace. Grab this culinary essential for $22.79. The era of settling for store-bought loaves with questionable ingredients is officially over. This 16-in-1 kitchen powerhouse takes you from raw ingredients to a golden, steaming loaf with zero manual labor involved. Designed for those who value both health and luxury, it features specialized modes for gluten-free recipes, artisanal French bread, and even fresh yogurt. Its quiet 60-watt motor operates at a whisper, allowing you to wake up to the scent of fresh baking thanks to the 15-hour delay timer. Whether you are hosting a large family brunch or prepping for the week, the 2.2-pound capacity ensures you never run short. The ceramic non-stick pan means the bread slides out perfectly every time, leaving you with practically no cleanup. It is the ultimate upgrade for a modern, self-sufficient home that refuses to compromise on quality. You can transform your entire morning routine for $89.99. Ditch the messy campfire and bring the warmth of a classic tradition directly to your coffee table. This sleek indoor station uses a flameless electric heater to roast marshmallows to a perfect golden brown without the hassle of wood or smoke. With its clever 4-compartment tray, your chocolate and graham crackers stay organized and ready for sharing during movie night. It is a safe, sophisticated way to create instant memories with 2 included stainless steel forks. Secure this centerpiece for $29.99. There is something hypnotic about watching your food transform through crystal clear glass. This 2-liter borosilicate masterpiece replaces clunky, opaque cookware with a sophisticated design that lets you monitor every simmer without losing a drop of heat or steam. Engineered from 3.5mm thick heat-resistant glass, it remains completely free from lead and chemicals, ensuring your meals are as healthy as they look. It is a true multitasker that transitions effortlessly from your electric stovetop to the microwave, oven, or even the refrigerator for seamless storage. Beyond cooking, many use this as a dedicated home fragrance tool, gently simmering aromatics to scent the entire house. The anti-scald handles provide a secure grip, while the included clip-on strainer adds a layer of professional efficiency to your workflow. This is a visual upgrade to your kitchen aesthetic that prioritizes both purity and performance. You can secure this essential edition for $27.99. True tea purists understand that the vessel is just as important as the leaves. This masterfully crafted borosilicate glass kettle brings a level of transparency and elegance that turns every brew into a visual performance. Its non-porous construction ensures that you experience only the pure, unadulterated notes of your favorite jasmine or loose-leaf blends, without the metallic aftertaste of traditional pots. Designed for maximum versatility, it transitions seamlessly from your stovetop to the microwave, while the extra-wide handle and precision non-drip spout provide a professional pouring experience. With a generous 34-ounce capacity, you can easily serve up to 5 cups of artisanal tea for guests or yourself. This set even includes 2 hand-picked jasmine-infused blooming tea flowers to get you started immediately. Whether you are building a quiet morning ritual or hosting a sophisticated brunch, this durable yet lightweight tea maker is the definitive choice for those who refuse to compromise on quality or style. It is a rare combination of luxury and daily utility that elevates your kitchen aesthetic instantly. You can secure this premium brewing experience for $26.95. The era of flat, uninspired burgers is officially over. This professional patty press allows you to engineer massive, restaurant-quality burgers infused with whatever ingredients you crave. Instead of just topping your meat, you can now seal gooey cheese, crispy bacon, or grilled jalapenos directly into the core of a perfectly uniform patty. The specialized design eliminates the mess and uneven cooking of hand-shaped burgers, ensuring every bite is succulent and packed with flavor. Crafted from premium BPA-free materials, the non-stick surface ensures your creations slide out effortlessly, while the entire unit is dishwasher safe for a rapid cleanup. It is a simple yet transformative tool that turns a standard backyard barbecue into a gourmet experience for everyone at the table. You can secure this game-changing kitchen upgrade for a total of $19.95. Cold meals are now a thing of the past. This ultra-thin silicone warming mat utilizes advanced heating technology to reach your desired temperature in just 10 seconds. Unlike bulky traditional trays, its flexible nano-coated surface rolls up for effortless storage when the party is over. With 3 adjustable heat levels and a smart timer, you can keep everything from delicate glass to heavy stainless steel at the perfect serving temperature for hours. It is a subtle yet powerful upgrade that ensures every guest enjoys a hot meal. You can add this small luxury with a big impact for $26.97. Standard round pots often force you to break your pasta just to make it fit, but this elongated oval masterpiece changes the game. Its generous 5.5 quart capacity is specifically engineered to accommodate long spaghetti and lasagna noodles in their natural form, ensuring an authentic texture every time. Crafted from high-grade aluminum, the vessel provides rapid and uniform heat distribution, while the PFOA-free nonstick interior guarantees an effortless release and a 5-second cleanup. The most impressive feature is the twist and lock straining lid, which allows you to drain boiling water directly from the pot without needing a separate colander or risking a burn. With stay-cool handles designed for a secure grip, this multifunctional tool transitions from boiling vegetables to simmering hearty stews with professional ease. It is a sophisticated solution for anyone who takes their kitchen efficiency seriously. You can own this essential culinary upgrade for $33.70. Maintaining a high-performance kitchen requires more than just tools. It requires a superior organizational system. This 7-piece modular set covers every essential prep task from precision grating to effortless slicing and scooping. Each component is engineered with high-grade stainless steel and soft-touch non-slip handles that prioritize steady control during intense sessions. What truly sets this collection apart is the magnetic modular crock, allowing you to snap your tools into a customized layout that stays perfectly in place. The removable internal divider keeps everything upright, eliminating the chaos of cluttered drawers forever. When the work is done, every gadget is dishwasher safe for a refreshingly simple cleanup. This set is a masterclass in combining durability with a sleek slate aesthetic. You can elevate your daily workflow with this professional kit for $49.99. Ditch the electric noise and return to the pure essence of fresh fruit with this compact manual squeezer. Engineered with a specialized 9-tooth reamer, it grips every citrus variety from lemons to grapefruits, extracting every drop of vitamin-rich juice in half the time of standard tools. The integrated strainer works flawlessly to catch heavy pulp and seeds, ensuring a smooth result directly into the built-in measuring cup. Its clever pour spout and portable design make it a versatile asset for your kitchen, office, or even a weekend trip. You can maintain your healthy routine with this small luxury for just $9.99. Achieving that elusive bakery-quality crust at home requires a specific level of steam control and heat retention. This heavy-duty cast iron vessel is engineered precisely for sourdough enthusiasts who demand a crispy exterior and a perfectly airy crumb. Unlike standard baking sheets, the locking lid traps essential moisture during the first phase of baking, while the pre-seasoned vegetable oil coating ensures a healthy, chemical-free surface. Beyond bread, its 3.6 quart capacity makes it a versatile powerhouse for slow-cooking stews or braising meats on any stovetop. It is a durable investment for the dedicated home baker looking to master the craft. Own this professional-grade culinary tool for $72.99. Grilling small vegetables or delicate seafood often feels like a battle against the grates, but this rolling stainless steel basket changes the dynamic entirely. Instead of meticulously flipping individual pieces, you can now rotate entire batches with a single motion, ensuring perfectly even char and flavor distribution. Built from premium food-grade 304 stainless steel, It is engineered to withstand extreme heat while remaining remarkably easy to clean. The detachable beechwood handle provides a secure, heat-resistant grip and unscrews easily for a clever nesting design that saves massive space in your gear bag or kitchen cabinet. Whether you are hosting a backyard barbecue or prepping a meal at a remote campsite, this tool allows you to cook with the precision of a professional chef. You can transform your outdoor cooking game with this sophisticated upgrade for $23.99. Consistency is the ultimate luxury in a fast-paced morning. This original rapid cooker eliminates the guesswork of boiling water, delivering soft, medium, or hard-boiled results in under 12 minutes. Beyond the perfect boil, the included poaching tray and omelet bowl expand your breakfast repertoire with zero effort. Its compact footprint and automated shut-off feature provide a seamless experience for any busy professional. You can secure this essential morning upgrade for $19.99. Ditch the fragile forks and take full control of your barbecue with these heavy-duty shredding claws. Engineered to withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees, these professional tools allow you to handle, lift, and shred massive roasts or smoking briskets without ever burning your hands. The ultra-sharp, BPA-free blades are designed to tear through pork and poultry in seconds, delivering the perfect texture for your favorite recipes with half the effort. Beyond shredding, they function as a robust extension of your grip for carving or even tossing large salads. When the feast is over, simply toss them in the dishwasher for a rapid, mess-free cleanup. You can dominate your next cookout with this rugged essential for just $14.95. Precision is the secret to a professional kitchen, and this dual-function dispenser gives you total command over your oil intake. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free glass, this 16-ounce vessel allows you to switch seamlessly between a controlled pour and a fine, pressurized mist. Each spray delivers exactly 0.15 grams of oil, making it an essential tool for air frying, grilling, or dressing salads with zero waste. The specialized nozzle is designed to stay clean and drip-free, maintaining a spotless workspace while you cook. It is a sleek, heat-resistant solution for those who prioritize both health and efficiency in their daily routine. You can upgrade your culinary precision with this versatile bottle for just $7.99. The most time-consuming part of any recipe is the prep work, but this 13-in-1 system turns hours of slicing into seconds of efficiency. Equipped with 8 interchangeable blades made from heavy-duty stainless steel, it handles everything from dicing onions to grating hard cheeses with surgical precision. The innovative design features a built-in cutting lid that deposits ingredients directly into a large 1.2-liter container, keeping your countertop spotless and eliminating the need for multiple boards. Whether you need thick slices or a fine grind for professional garnishes, the rust-resistant edges maintain their sharpness through thousands of cuts. Its compact design ensures it fits into any cabinet, while the specialized cleaning tool makes maintenance a quick, safe process. This is the ultimate tool for adding fresh variety to your diet without the manual labor. You can secure this complete kitchen workstation for $17.98. Visual clutter in a pantry often leads to wasted ingredients and expired goods, but this 6-piece Airtight collection restores absolute order to your kitchen. Each 1-liter container features a professional grade lid lock mechanism that creates a hermetic seal with a single push of the integrated ring. This secure vacuum environment is powerful enough to store liquids without leaks, ensuring your dry staples like coffee, pasta, and spices remain perfectly fresh for months. Engineered from heavy-duty, BPA-free plastic, these canisters are designed to be crystal clear, allowing you to monitor inventory levels at a glance without ever opening a lid. Their uniform rectangular shape and stackable design maximize every inch of vertical space in your cabinets, creating a streamlined aesthetic that rivals professional kitchen setups. Durable, odorless, and remarkably easy to maintain, this set is a foundational investment for a disciplined, high-efficiency home. You can secure this complete organization system for $39.99. Elevate your culinary craft by transforming your stand mixer into a professional-grade pasta factory. This gourmet attachment utilizes the power of your mixer to extrude fresh, artisanal pasta with incredible ease. Featuring 6 interchangeable stainless steel discs, you can master everything from delicate spaghetti and hollow bucatini to complex fusilli and rigatoni. The integrated wire cutter gives you total control over the length of your noodles, ensuring a uniform, restaurant-quality result every time. For maintenance, the included stainless steel tool and dishwasher-safe components make cleanup swift and efficient. Neatly organized in its own protective storage case, this set is a definitive upgrade for the serious home chef who values authentic texture and precision. You can own this premium kitchen powerhouse for $249.95. Fresh pineapple prep is notorious for being messy and difficult, but this heavy-duty stainless steel corer turns the task into a 5-second victory. The reinforced serrated blades glide through the fruit, creating perfect uniform rings while keeping the outer shell intact for creative serving. Featuring a detachable ergonomic handle and a dedicated eye removal tool, it minimizes wrist strain and ensures a professional finish every time. Since every part is dishwasher safe and rust-proof, cleanup is as effortless as the slicing itself. Secure this kitchen essential for $9.99. Ditching store-bought dairy alternatives with hidden additives has never been simpler. This sophisticated extraction system allows you to create pure artisanal almond, oat, or soy milk in under 16 minutes without the traditional hassle of overnight soaking. Utilizing patented pulverizing technology, the machine automatically filters your ingredients, eliminating the need for messy nut milk bags or manual straining. Whether you prefer a quick 10-ounce serving or a larger 20-ounce batch, the one-touch interface delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. The integrated delay start function ensures your milk is freshly prepared exactly when you wake up, while the included glass pitcher transitions seamlessly from the machine to your refrigerator. Perhaps the most impressive feature is the automated self-cleaning cycle, which rinses the internal components thoroughly after each session so you never have to scrub. It is a powerful, health-focused investment for those who demand total control over their nutrition and a sleek aesthetic for their modern kitchen workspace. You can own this premium automated dairy alternative for $209.95.